Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to my channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है शार्जल under 500 rupees. So if you're interested what is the best शार्जल you can find under 500 rupees, let's get into the video. I am recommending all sort of a शार्जल which is under only 500 rupees because I don't think so शार्जल पे 500 से ज़्यादा स्पेंड करने की कोई ज़रूरत है because आपको हर टाइप का शार्जल बीट क्रीम बेस बीट जेल बेस you can definitely grab that under 500 rupees. So that's the reason I'm recommending all the शार्जल. So let's begin. The first शार्जल I would highly recommend you guys to try which is under 500 rupees. So the one is from the Fiamma one. This is how the bottle looks like. This is a Fiamma शार्जल in the variant avocado and पीचेस विच आई रियली लाइक. यू कैन सी मैंने ऑलरेडी इसको बहुत ज़्यादा फिनिश कर लिया है. फियामा ये ऐसा ब्रांड है ना गाइस इन टर्म्स ऑफ शार्जल, ये बहुत फेमस है, बहुत अच्छा है एंड बहुत सालों से चल रहा है. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली पीचेस एंड एवोकाडो इज रियली अ वाइब ऑफ द समर एट द मोमेंट. आप एक बार यूज़ कर लोगे ना गाइस, आपका पूरा बॉडी इतना ज़्यादा रिलैक्स एंड पीचेस एंड वाला फील आता है. आई रियली लाइक दिस वेरिएंट. यू डू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट वेरिएंट. दिस इज अ बेसिकली अ जेल बेस्ड क्लेंजर गाइस एंड you do get a lot of different particles right here which is really scrubbing ones at the same time. So you do get a शार्जल plus scrubber which is a win-win for me at least because the scrub particles are not harsh at all and it is really nice. You just need teeny tiny bits. You get a 500 ml and that is for 399. You do get a lot of offers on Amazon, Myntra or anywhere else. If you want to try the most famous शार्जल which is under budget, this is the Fiamma one. You can definitely go and grab this one guys. My second most favorite शार्जल is from the brand Love Planet and Beauty. This is their murmure butter and rose aroma शार्जल guys. This is how it looks like. It's really good. This is a cream based शार्जल guys. If you are wondering, I really like this. ये बहुत ही smallest quantity आपको लगता है. If you have a dry skin, you can definitely go grab this up. Most of the time शार्जल use करने के बाद ना many people do face a dry patches or a dry skin. For those people, this is the perfect alternative. You can definitely grab this up. इसमें आपको 2 से 3 अलग वेरिएंट आते हैं, लैवेंडर वन एंड द कोकोनट वन. I have tried both of them and this is the one which I'm trying at the moment. This is not the migraine wala flory scent. I will say it's a very mild rose fragrance, so you can definitely grab this one if you are looking for a little bit of flowery scent. This is also a 400 ml bottle. This is a vegan product, no sulfate, no dyes and that's a really good. It is also a PETA certified product. You do get for 395 rupees and all of the time Nykaa and Amazon पे ये product 35% off पे आपको 100% मिल जाएगा. So you can grab this up under the budget. But most my favorite शार्जल guys is from the brand Scendivas. This is how it looks like. This is in the variant lemon and basil. I have used almost 6 to 7 variant from this particular शार्जल. ये बहुत ही affordable है. This is retail for 399 but ये all the time buy one get one offer पे आपको मिल जाता है. This is also a PETA certified product. This is a gel based cleanser which is really good in terms of summer. Specifically like the gel based शार्जल guys in the summers because it's really lightweight and really calming. Moisturizing शार्जल I do not prefer in the summers. I like them in the winters. As per your choice, you can definitely pick and choose whatever you like, but this is the one which I like. This is also paraben free, mineral oil free. This is also PETA certified product, so you can definitely grab this up under the budget. Basically 200 में you get 500 ml का bottle which is a steel. I have used this for the longest time in terms of शार्जल after the Fiamma ones. Obviously you can definitely grab this up if you're looking to try something new. The second last शार्जल is also a very famous शार्जल and many people must have used it. This is the one which I'm talking about. This is from the brand Palmolive. I really like this one so far. इसके लिए मैंने इसका इतना बड़ा जार मंगवा लिया है ऑलरेडी. मैंने इसके काफ़ी छोटे बॉटल्स खत्म कर लिए हैं. This is a 700 ml bottle but I did got this for 50% off from Amazon. It is retail for 700 rupees approximately but this is the hugest jar, that is why it is costed this much. You can definitely go and grab the smallest one which is 100% in 200 rupees, under 200 rupees. So you can definitely grab this one. इसमें काफ़ी variant है as per your choice. You can definitely grab something like that but I am into essential oils at the moment, so that's the reason I got this Fiji oil plus orchid seeds. That's the reason I really like it. It smells really nice and for the bigger bottle you get this pump. For the smaller one you do not get the pump, so you can try this one under the budget if you're looking for one. Last shower gel which I would like to recommend you guys is from the brand Pierce. Pierce is a one such brand guys that everyone must have used it in their childhood because उनका जो सोप आता है वो सबने 100% यूज किया ही होगा, ये मुझे पता है. इसके लिए उनका शावर जेल भी बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. You can definitely grab their shower gel as well. They do come with the 2 to 3 different variant at the moment. They do come with the aloe vera one, strawberry one, and obviously the OG classic Pierce bottle that is also under 200 rupees. If you are wondering, I do not have the bottle with me at the moment because I have finished it off very quickly and I'm using this all shower gel, so that's the reason I don't have the bottle with me. I'll put up the picture right here. This is the one you can definitely grab this one. That is also a gel based cleanser, and Pierce is a one brand which you can definitely blindly buy it because it is known for its purest form. So you can definitely grab this up. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like all my recommendations and you're definitely gonna buy them. If you do, please do tag me on Instagram. If you like the video, please give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Until I see you next time, bye guys.